Krishna Raja Sagar Dam, also known as KRS Dam, is named after Krishna Raja Vadeyar, who was the 24th Maharaja of the Kingdom of Mysore. The KRS Dam was built by Sir M. Vishvesharaya in 1932 across the Kaveri River. The region of Mysore had been extremely dry and had witnessed mass migration to adjoining areas in the blazing summers. A severe drought in 1875 to 76 had wiped out 1/5 of the population of the Kingdom of Mysore. Crop failures were common due to the lack of water for irrigation. The Kaveri River was seen as a potential source of irrigation water for farmers in and around Mysore. Construction of KRS Dam began in November 11 in the year 1911 and 10,000 workers were employed. A mortar known as surki was used in place of cement, as cement was not manufactured in India at that time and importing would be too costly to the state. The construction was finished in 1931. KRS Dam is the main source of water for Mysore and it is 131 feet tall and 8,600 feet wide, covering 50 square miles. Sir M. Vishvesharaya, the architect who built the dam, was the 19th Diwan of Mysore when he started planning for the construction of the dam. He was called the father of modern Mysore state as he designed floodgates, dams, road construction plans, protection systems and water supply systems which developed the Kingdom of Mysore and provided it with water for irrigation and hydroelectricity. Sir M. Vishvesharaya was the founder of Mysore Soap Factory, Mysore Iron and Steel Works, the Bangalore Agricultural University and the State Bank of Mysore. For his work, he received the Bharat Ratna, the highest award in India, and the M. Vishvesharaya Award is given to other civil engineers and architects who moved India a step up. Sir Vishvesharaya's birthday, September 15th, is celebrated as Engineers Day to respect his contributions to India. Next to KRS Dam is Brindavan Garden. The construction of this garden started in 1927 and was finished in 1932. It is spread over 60 acres and is adjoining to its fruit orchard, which is spread across 75 acres. This garden was designed by the same person who also built the KRS Dam, Sir M. Vishvesharaya. The main attraction of Brindavan Gardens are its fountains, foliage and fauna, and the lake inside the garden with boating facilities. The main visiting time here is when it's dark, as then the fountains will be lit by bright colorful lights and music will be playing, so the guests can come and watch the dancing fountain and listen to the music. Unfortunately, we were there in the morning and missed the lighting. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Mysore series. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Sayonara!